This is a video of an unknown Royal Pacific ceiling fan that replaced a newer Induscom. In fact, I'll show you it. You might have not seen this. This is my closet of fans. There are a couple more, but they're in a different closet. This is the fan it replaced. So yeah, it was supposed to use a remote, but for some reason the receiver wasn't. Every time you press high, medium, low, the actual fan wouldn't spin. It would just make the noise and nothing would happen. But the light still worked. So it's basically only a light fixture. So yeah, I just straight wired it. So I won't be able to show multiple speeds. Here's why. The chain is way too short. So I need to get an extension chain. And I can't turn on and off the light because the chain for that, if you don't know in a past video, that pull chain shorted out, and then I had to get rid of it. It seems like every time I put a light pull chain in the thing, it shorts out. So yeah, it's stuck on high, but still. Oh, this fan's actually 20 years old now. So yes, I'm surprised it still works. It's 20 years old. That's high speed. I don't know if you can hear the air noise, but I can feel it. Yeah, this fan is using the original capacitor. I didn't change anything. I really just repainted it. I hate that sound. But still, it's much more quiet than the Induscom. So I'd love to turn off the light to show you it, but nope. So yeah, the real reason I put this here is so I wouldn't have to use these lights that have really messy wiring. I can just remove them. I mean, I'm thinking to move this one over that, because it needs to light up this area a bit. Yeah. I'm going to turn it off and we'll do a spin down. And just in case you didn't know, this ceiling fan got moisture damage on it at one point because of where it was installed originally. I swear I saw the switch housing move. Let me just check something. Did it move? No, it didn't. Okay. I'm going to replace that weird looking light bulb, the fluorescent one right there. I'm going to replace that with a normal one that's like circular like the others. And at one point, actually, there used to be a fan that looked just like this in this room. Well, it used to be a hallway. This entire room used to be a hallway at one point. So there was a fan that looked just like this somewhere. It was somewhere up there, but then a wall was built, and this got turned into a room. So it's almost like having that fan back, except it used a much shorter down rod, and somehow the blades didn't hit the wall. I mean the ceiling. That's kind of weird, because it's a sloped ceiling, obviously, you can tell. And another cool update is that the fan's no longer on that. See, all it took was, like, you see, so this is, like, some sort of flimsy drywall concrete thing that holds up the ceiling, right? So you can't mount a fan on it. You can't mount a fan on the ceiling, right? You can only mount it on the wooden rafters. You probably don't know what I'm saying. I'm not good at explaining things. The point is, the fan is now in the center of the room. Alright, thanks for watching this video. This was Safety Cat 5. And another successful video has been done, so bye.